Fast touch represents the increase of playback speed, volume and brightness in the touch commands. Slow touch, which represents the decrease of playback speed, volume or brightness in the combination of touch commands. What is change touch? It is very simple. It is touch and hold, used for continuous volume, brightness or frames changes. Forward touch, in control instructions for the video playback speed, frame or program switching, all represent change forward. Backward touch, in control instructions for the video playback, frames or program switching, all represent change backward. Touching up, usually used for volume or brightness controls, represent increase. Down touch, usually used for volume or brightness control, represents decrease.